Hello everyone, today I'm going to be changing the headlights on my 99 Ford Contour. You are going to need to pop the hood open. I am going to go ahead and show how these bulbs go in and out while these, before I put these new ones in. These new ones that I bought came with new bulbs already installed. As you can see, it's twisting. Just line it up with those slots there and then pull it out. And then this is basically the same thing for the turn signal. And that turn signal bulb, the bulb pulls out, but as you can see, E83C3, that's the bulb number, all the info you need on that. So line it up and then twist it back in. I believe this is the high beam, and then this is the low beam, and as you can see, it just plugs in and snaps over that. So as we can see on here, there are 3 mounting points for these headlights. So you can see the 2 up top pretty easily. The one down below is down there, and this one doesn't even have a screw in it. So I'll have to find a screw to replace that later. It's also missing that on the other one. But so it looks like these are flathead or star bit, whatever those are called. And then this one's been replaced with a Phillips. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those out. Okay, so I've removed the screws, so now we can just pull this away and unplug everything. And these have been converted, so there's a different plug-in right here, but I'm not gonna be converting them back, so this will all be gone. So now all we have to do is plug all these lights back in and then line these back up and screw the headlight assembly back in. Another thing I realized is the middle one is low beam and this one on the inside is the high beam. So that's the for the high beam 9005 and the low beam is 9006. So we'll go ahead and plug these back in. Now we're gonna place the headlight assembly back in place and get these screws started. And also don't forget about the one in the back there if you've got your screw for that. And we're going to tighten this down. And there you go. So now all that's left to do is the other side, which is exactly the same as this. And to test out the lights and make sure that they all still work, and then you're done. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks. You may also need to level the headlights with these two screws as well. So just check the level, get the thing in between the lines, and you're all good.